Today I'm going to show you how free live streaming works. If you visit our website, you'll find these different plans. If you click here on the free one, you land on this page and you notice that this player is different compared to the others. I'm referring to non-professionals and professionals. Here it is not mandatory to donate. However, if you do so, I speak and I give you information which I consider relevant depending on the amount that is raised for donations. Regarding the organizations, you find them here on the website by clicking on donate, and the donations going to this foundation or to other one depending on our objective. But bear in mind that we do not make any profit whatsoever. In fact, we incur in costs by offering this free service. It's important to mention this. We do not make any profit whatsoever. So if you don't want to donate, you just click here, resume watching the video. If you don't have an account, you click here, sign up, as you can see, email, password. And if you have an account, you click here, sign in, and your username and password. You can change here the language. We support all this language, so by maintaining this language, English. And let's click here on resume. You'll find me here immediately. You see the streaming live broadcast going on. If you have questions, you click here, support, and you find a list of questions and answers, as well as some videos, for example, how to manage your in-player account. So quite simple, and if you change your mind during the live streaming session, you can click here, change your mind, donate now, and once again, you have here the window popping up and verified by this entity. If you don't want, you click on resume, and here you have again. And so you are not, it is not mandatory to donate. However, depending on the amount, and this has to be done at the beginning, raised for donations, I will step in, and I will address some certain important topics. For example, today is Sunday. I'm doing this on a Sunday. I've been 1 hour and 13 minutes in a session where I addressed some 2 peaks at least, where we have positions, and I explained how to profit from those peaks, and also how to navigate, how to explain different services on the website, and thereafter that information can also be published. So I believe that I've been very clear, transparent, what to expect. If the amount of donations it is not sufficient, this is a free service, we incur in costs, I repeat. You can have here a movie or an image, and you can test the player across different devices, that in fact it is the objective, before you upgrade to the non-professional version or the professional version. I repeat, bear in mind that the objective of this free live streaming service, it is not to give you free information to trade in the stock market, it is to test the player. Depending on the amount raised on donations, I can step in and give information, but that is going to depend on the amount raised before or during the session, okay? Thank you.